All right, guys, let's break down each piece of reporting here from each of these and then how we can interpret that. I want to start with opens. Opens is important for a number of reasons. One, be aware that email opens are triggered based upon a pixel being in the body of an email. So what that means is this: when you add a video into the body of an email, there is an invisible pixel, a little thing, right, that's added into the body of this email that's connected here. Like, just pretend it's that thing, right? It's connected here to this. The way that email open tracking works is if I send this email to somebody and they have an Apple Watch, an iPhone, a CRM, anything that previews this email, that's going to trigger the pixel and say that this email was opened, even though the person themselves did not yet open it. So just be aware that email opens is not a very useful metric in some cases. If you're saying, well, if I sent one video to one person, did they open it? You don't know that metric. They could have, their Apple Watch could have opened it. Anything could have opened it. So I would say that it's not useful for that, right? It's not useful for telling if one person opened it or not. What it is useful for is, let's say you're doing split testing, which, coming back to the coaching, right? Foundational thing. You should always be split testing to see which subjects and bodies are working better. And so if you sent 100 emails to one group and 100 emails to another group, and then you see an open rate, right? One got 50 opens, one got 10 opens. That is meaningful because you can assume 20, 30, 40, whatever, 30% is auto opens. But then because that's equal between both groups, you can remove that assumption. And now you're left with meaningful data. So for individuals, I don't like email opens because their Apple Watch could have triggered it. When we're measuring in comparison to other campaigns, that's when email opens is still very useful. Moving forward, the second thing, clicks. What this means is that inside the body of the email, they clicked on the link to the video. So if there is no video link, there can be no link clicks. If there's no video, there can be no email open tracking either. So this only works, these two also only work for email. So if you put this video into a direct message or into a text message, you will never see these first two metrics happen. This is only for email and only when it's opened and then when they click the link. I have seen very, very few technologies that can actually click a link. It has an automatic link follow. It's extremely rare that happens. So the vast majority of clicks are actual people that are clicking 99% of the time. However, I have seen technology that will automatically follow a link in an email. So that means it previews it and clicks the link to see where it goes, in which case you might see both of those. Okay, next one, view. The view means that this page was successfully viewed. You'll see down here that a view can take place. This is a desktop icon. So that means that the view happened on a desktop in Los Angeles. That's what we can infer from this, that this page like this loaded, it loaded successfully. Nothing blocked it or prevented it from loading. And it happened on a desktop device. So that's what a view means. There can be cases where somebody clicks a link and the page doesn't load, right? Their internet on a strict internet and it blocked it or something like that. It's possible. So that's why everything is tracked separately. The next one. Oh, by the way, this can happen on any device, on any channel, email, social, SMS. If they click the link and it loads the page, you will get a view. The next one, watches. This is going to be a specific percentage that is reported, just like this. That is what a watch means. It means that a specific percentage of the video was reported back here in the activity. Now, there are instances where somebody can watch a percentage of a video, but it doesn't show as a watch. For example, let's say if I come over here and I watch this video, maybe I watch 50% of this video, but instead of closing this tab, I just continue on with my day. All that Dubb knows is that you watched up to here and then did not continue to watch. I might come back and watch it later. In this case, it would show only as a view and not as a watch percentage because I did not finish the activity. If I close the page at this time, now it would report that I watched about 50% of the video. So that is a circumstance in which somebody could watch a portion of the video, but because they didn't close the page or move on or finish or do anything else, it was just abandoned there, with a partial watch, just like this, Dubb is still waiting to see what's going to happen here. And so in that case, you'll get a view, but not a watch. So this is more common on mobile as well, where people less on a desktop, it's more often that people close the tab, finish watching, or do whatever. It is more common on a mobile device for people to swipe up, hit the home button, lock screen, whatever. And so you will sometimes see that on a mobile device, it'll show an Android or Apple icon if it's on an iPhone or Android. And you might see a page view, which means that they opened it on their mobile, watched some percentage, but then didn't close the window or finish watching. So be aware, that's the difference between views and watches. Views are usually that somebody watched some percentage but didn't report. And the last one here is CTA clicks, meaning on the page, they actually clicked one of these buttons below your videos. Each click of different buttons would result in a number increase here. So if they clicked a button, it'll say 1. If they clicked another button, it'll say 2. And then which buttons they clicked would be available in the reporting here. So that's how you can view what each of these items mean, where they took place, what device they were on. And then, of course, there's filters for every part of those as well, where you can filter by a specific type of activity or lack thereof.